Anybody left in there? Washington.
Man, I'll tell you what, you guys are all loud. That Coos Bay, Oregon, and someone down there in Roseburg, Oregon. That's some short skip up here to Spokane.
712, yeah, 380, Southern New Mexico. 712.
Yeah, you're up in the red. I'm not even loaded up for up here. I'm loaded up to down below, but anyways, man, that's some short skip. We got some weird conditions out here tonight.
Yeah, we got some short skip running with some real loud audio out there, no doubt.
Oh, Roger, on the east skip. Well, I missed that, but well, I'm gonna stand by and let you guys do your thing. Sound good up here. Zookeeper, Spokane, Washington.
Spokane, Washington, making a fine trip to Reno, Nevada.
All right, 549. You have a good evening.
302, Northern Nevada. We're waving a hand out there.
Zookeeper.
Reno, Nevada.
Oh, zookeeper, like taking care of the zoo, you know, taking care of the animals.
Mexico.
How about that? New Mexico, 302, Northern Nevada. Waving a hand to New Mexico.
Roger that. 380, Southern New Mexico. Down here at White Sand Basin. MP3 is you're coming in and out, kind of slow, kind of weird. Secret.
How about at Skipland? We got anyone else out there? 302, Northern Nevada. Break. Well, just like that, conditions died. All right.